Hello, this is my cacao plant, and for today this is we're explaining about planting cacao. As you can see, one here. So it's a PR5 variety, I think, and this is UF21 variety cacao. So this tree here is BR5 or BR25, I forget. It's the variety here. It's kind of a hybrid type of cacao. It's grafted actually. So it's four. So as you can see, it's planted in the shady place like this one, where no direct sunlight has been penetrated the place. As you can see, so the sunlight here, there, but right now it's many weeds. So I think in the future I will clean this place. So thank you. So as you can see, this is my dragon fruit. This type of planting technique is maybe I'm just trying. If it's good or I don't know, but maybe in the future I will post another video for this type of planting method, in which the dragon fruit has no trellis, but it's planted in the upper place like this, so that it will not waste time. It's wasting time on so it don't waste time on like climbing on trellis. So in this kind of technique, in this method of planting, maybe it will lessen the time for it to fruit, because it will mature early. As you can see, it will mature early because they don't have to climb the trellis first, so that it will bend to the ground. In this kind of method, the dragon fruit actually directly pointing to the ground. You can see. So, and this place is so sunny, maybe 10 hours per day, 10 hours of sun hours per day. So let's see my other dragon fruit, but it only been penetrated by sun by I think 5 to 6 hours per day. But in the month of February to July, it will only have only 4 hours of sun hours, I think, in this place. So maybe you will expect a late fruiting season for this dragon fruit. And this one is original. mulberry.